Hello everyone, welcome today. Today in the additional, let me drink something. I have a dry mouth. Before I start with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional, I want to count all the numbers. So let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Plus 2 is 19. Plus 2 is 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan first. Which number can I use? How about the number? The number. We have here A4 in this column, A4 in the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then A5 in this row, A5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then yes, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3 boxes left for the numbers 1, 7, and the 8. And look, we have a 7 and a 1 here, so no 7 and a 1 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 7 and the 1 goes there. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which number. How about, yeah, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those 5 missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 here, so no 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers. The 2. No. We have the 2 here. The 7, the 8, and the 3. We see here a 7 and an 8. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. 1 box left. 1 digit left for the 3. We have here the 7 and the 8, 7 and the 8. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. How about the last 2 numbers in the third column for the numbers 7 and the 6? We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3, 3, 3, and 3 and the 3 and the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and 9 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. So now 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6, yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We see here 9, 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then how about the 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column, the only 3 places for the 9, here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then how about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and all the 6's are used. I can see, yes. Alright. Then, how about eight and 7. 2, the 6, the 4 in this row, the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Then 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8, 3 and the 8, 3, 8 and the 5. Alright, how about these 2 numbers, the 8 and the 3? We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 is missing, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. Alright. 7. We have here a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Yes, 9, 7, and the 5. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in this box, so the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, a 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 8. We have an 8 here in this big square, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be the 8. We have an 8 here, so this should be a 7. 5 and the 9 are left here. I marked them. These 2 boxes in this big square, the 4 and the 8. Still cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 8. 1 number left in this last column for the number 8. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We have a 4 here, so these 2 should be the 4. 5, 6, the 7 is missing. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 5 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square, the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow! The 2 stars faster than the 3 stars. So, less numbers, 26, although it's faster than the previous one. So, you cannot tell if the numbers or the digits are less, then it will be difficult. No, this one I've made it in 13 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes more for the first one. The third Sudoku. So thank you for watching, and thumbs up if you like it, otherwise thumbs down, and I will see you in a second with this one, the 4th Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.